outstanding design defines the 2020 Jeep Cherokee. It's equipped with tons of terrific amenities, but it won't break your budget. Like heated seats, a trip computer, an automatic dimming rear view mirror, turn signal indicator mirrors, a power liftgate, remote keyless entry, and a split folding rear seat. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Jeep ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.